Today I will introduce you to the best top hosting service. Among the web hosting providers I've come across so far, this one is one of the best in the budget category. It's a very versatile and very effective assistant. In this short video, I'm going to reveal to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the top hosting category. Don't forget to like it and also watch our other videos. Let's not waste time and get started.
Inmotion Hosting is one of the premier hosting providers with world-class infrastructure and impressive customer support. All hosting plans give you significant hosting control as well as powerful tools to improve your site. Inmotion has something for everyone, including WordPress and shared hosting, business hosting, reseller hosting, dedicated servers, and managed and unmanaged VPSs. It also offers web design and domain registration services. In this review, I will introduce Inmotion Managed WordPress hosting. As the company's main focus is still on the US audience, it only provides services in English. She also operates only 2 data centers, both of which are located in the USA. Inmotion Managed Hosting Platform takes care of the backend so you can focus on building your website. Inmotion's plans are pretty handy and include features like multi-domain hosting, unlimited bandwidth, SSH access, free SSL certificate, and no downtime to migrate a site from your previous hosting. Since the hosting has taken care of all the necessary things, you can focus on developing the site and not fiddle with the settings. You can install almost any application or CMS using the cPanel one-click installer, and when you purchase a business plan, you can choose to pre-install the CMS by the Inmotion technical team. It is no coincidence that the 2 Inmotion hosting data centers are located on opposite ends of the United States. This arrangement allows you to choose the one that is closest to your target audience, whether you are in the US or not. With a world-class peer-to-peer network, you can avoid unnecessary routing between many network servers. According to Inmotion, this translates into 6 times faster email and download speeds in the most important markets. Inmotion hosting infrastructure is optimized to maintain speed, and NGINX SSD storage and advanced server coaching boosts your site's performance. When you have powerful cPanel tools at your fingertips, you won't need to use them that often. With a managed WordPress hosting plan, many aspects of your hosting are handled for you, giving you the freedom to focus on content management and business strategies. One example is set of security features. It includes protection against malware and hacking, protection against DDoS attacks, and automatic backups. In addition, automatic updates are offered to you. You will know that you are always running the latest technology to help keep your system stable and secure. Jetpack is a plugin that will be in your arsenal when hosting a WordPress site. It will take care of your site in terms of security, performance, SEO, design, social media, marketing, and more. A free Jetpack option is included with the WordPress 1000S Inmotion plan. More expensive plans will open up more options. Some of the most important features in the suite are daily backups, priority support, image and video CDNs, Google Analytics integration, premium themes, and the ability to earn money from ads. BoldGrid is a premium drag-and-drop WordPress plugin. It comes bundled with professional WordPress themes. It is a very easy-to-use beginner website builder that makes it easy to create beautiful and flexible WordPress sites optimized for the best search engines. BoldGrid is included for free with all WordPress Inmotion plans. It can also be pre-installed during registration. It's hard to complain about AMP Inmotion. Sure, it may look a little dated, but it's easy to use. Links to related help topics are located throughout the interface. Except for website creator plans, all plans are managed through cPanel. Dedicated server and managed VPS hosting plans also include WHM, and reseller hosting includes WHMSC. There is no doubt that these are some of the best hosting control panels in the industry. If you've used them before, then appreciate the power and freedom they provide. All panels also come with a Softcolor script installer that can be used to install hundreds of scripts for free with one click. If you are familiar with cPanel, you will find Inmotion very easy to use. If not, you will have some learning curve. The number of settings can be overwhelming and the interface is not as intuitive as some custom dashboards. Inmotion doesn't have the fastest registration and setup process. The need to communicate with the support staff by phone to verify the account inevitably leads to additional delays. There are no guarantees as to how long this will take, although Inmotion tries to process all tickets within 30 minutes. I can say that communication with the support agent was very helpful for me. Except for a phone call to verify your account, everything is simple. It took me less than 5 minutes to buy the plan and create an account. Overall, the process was pretty straightforward. I was offered only 2 additional paid services, and they were not included in the plan without my consent. Plus, no hidden costs other than domain privacy. The total amount payable has always been clearly indicated. It is very easy to connect a domain. If you provided your domain name when you created your account, all you need to do is forward the DNS records to the Inmotion name servers. Support staff will take care of the rest. If you do not choose to install Wordpress or Grid automatically during registration, you will have to do it through cPanel. Jetpacks give you automatic CDN access. You can update your plan through your dashboard. With various WordPress optimization features and other recent improvements, you will find that Inmotion's performance has improved significantly. Inmotion offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee for all hosting plans. According to several online sources, the uptime was pretty average, just below 99.94%, but it's improving steadily. Since April 2018, many reviewers have reported over 99.98% uptime. Some even report 100% uptime. Let's hope this trend continues. Inmotion offers 24/7, 365 customer support on all plans. You can reach support via live chat, email, tickets, and by phone. This is definitely one of the company's main selling points. You also have a significant amount of documentation and an active community of customers and support agents at your disposal. I also contacted Inmotion several times via live chat. It may take some time for a response if you're in a rush hour. A couple of times I had to wait over half an hour, and I never got an answer in less than 5 minutes. But once I broke through, the support agents were always friendly and helpful. Every agent I spoke with did their best to help me resolve my concerns. If you miss your session because you left your computer or it ended prematurely, you will also be sent an email to apologize for the inconvenience and tell you why your session ended. I would have preferred a quicker answer, but that's a nice touch. Inmotion isn't the cheapest service, but the higher tier plans offer great value for money. No matter what kind of hosting you need, Inmotion probably has something to suit you. Inmotion has WordPress hosting, website builder, VPS, and even dedicated servers. If you need WordPress, there are 6 hosting plans to choose from. Little gimmick: the prices shown in the ad carousel are valid for any annual or biannual plan, and cheaper plans unfortunately cannot be bought for less than a year. As for the cheaper plans, there are other hosting providers with similar functionality, but the more expensive plans include a ton of additional features and offer excellent value for money. Please be aware that Inmotion only accepts major credit or debit cards and US purchase orders. Here are some of the benefits you get with Inmotion plans: no bandwidth limits, sufficient amount of disk space, free domain, free premium WordPress themes and Jetpack credits WP2000S and up, free dedicated IP on WP4000S and up. You can also create multiple user accounts, which is great for teamwork. Also included in the tariff plans are site transfer, domain, SSL certificates, and $150 advertising credits. In the higher tier plans, you get a free domain even if you opt for the monthly renewal option. Inmotion offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on all hosting products with a few exceptions. In the case of WordPress hosting or long-term business, VPS, or reseller plans, you get a generous 90-day money-back guarantee, which is not often the case. Unfortunately, you cannot unsubscribe from the dashboard. You can turn off auto-renewal, but if you want to get your money back, you will have to contact support via live chat, email, ticket, or phone.